Credit repair changes lives. Credit repair empowers individuals. My name is Robert Linconis, President of Credit Restoration Associates and Alliant Business Systems LLC. We help businesses find access to capital. We help them build business credit that's independent of the personal guarantee. We help a business owner fix their personal credit to qualify for greater amounts of capital. We're very, very, very good at what we do. I've been fixing personal credit for 27 years at the highest level. We have an attorney on staff. We will get a credit report fixed. Our business credit consultants are incredible. We will help your business find access to money that you are not able to get right now and haven't been able to get so far. Using our proven resources, the sky's the limit on what you'll be able to get as far as capital and funding. Our resources are tremendous. Call today for a free consultation where we go through your entire business portfolio. We will look at your personal credit, we'll look at your business credit, we'll determine what we have to do to get you from where you are now to where you want to be. Call us, area code 804-823-9601 or 800-648-5157.